Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Sorry for the delay in the common phrase of the day. I've had some busy days. So today's common phrase of the day is Ivory Tower. The phrase Ivory Tower refers to a place or state where someone is separated from the real world, especially when someone is focused on just their ideas, theories, or academics and ignores practical or everyday problems. An ivory tower is not a real tower. It's a symbol of being disconnected from reality and from what typical people experience. People in an ivory tower are often seen as out of touch with what's happening in the world around them. This phrase is often used to describe professors, experts, or leaders who speak about big ideas but don't understand how things work in real life. So here are some sentences for you guys to practice. The professor lives in an ivory tower. He has no idea what it's like to work in the real world. Some politicians are stuck in their ivory towers and don't understand what regular people go through. She gave great advice, but it felt like it came from an ivory tower. It wasn't realistic for my situation. So you'll probably hear this a lot in movies, maybe on the news. So listen for this term, ivory tower, and try to use it in a sentence. Good luck, guys. And please like and subscribe. We appreciate your company, and I will see you soon.